Hello and welcome to Graphastic. This is me, Fazilat Ali Ahmed. We are going to design a logo for the urban store Healthy Food. That is a brand that sells organic healthy food and have a nature, freshness and trust attributes. Here's what we are going to design. So let's move to Illustrator to start designing. Select the ellipse tool and draw a circle while holding down the Shift and Alt button. Select and copy. Paste it using Ctrl-Shift-V to paste it in place. Resize it while holding down the Shift and Alt button. Repeat the process. Click the circle and select Type on Path tool and click on Circle. Type the name and rotate it to move it to the top. Click and drag it while holding down the Alt button to make a copy of it. Double-click on text and change it. Go to Type and then select the Type on Path options. Flip it, switch the preview on and choose a center as aligned to path. Rotate it and drag it and snap it to the center of other circle. Select the first text and go to the Type on Path options and choose the center as aligned to path and click OK. Click and adjust size of the inner circle. Resize the outer one too. Select the text and resize them. Draw a circle passing through the center of text. Show the ruler and add the guides. Now select the circle, select the scissors tool and then click the point of intersection between guide and line of circle. Select and delete the upper and lower portion of circle. Increase the stroke size. Now select the pen tool and draw the leaf. Add the green color. Select and right-click. Go to the Transform, Reflect and copy it by keeping the vertical reflect option checked. Select the pen tool and draw the corn. Add color. Add stroke. Add the lines inside the corn. Group it. Resize it and place it inside the circle. Change the colors of it to lighter shades. Select the inner and outer circle and increase the stroke size. Click the text and change the color to dark green. Select the border and change the color. Select and group it. Align it vertically and horizontally center. We're done with the emblem logo. That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!